chosen at a random. The probability that the chosen lady dislikes coffee is, what is the formula for probability? Required upon total. Somebody calls this sample space also. Okay. What is required? Required is dislike. How many dislike? 118. So dislike is 118 upon total is 200. So 118 upon 200. Solve this, you will get 0.59. Or in exam, if it's given in fraction, keep it in fraction. The probability of occurrence of an event is, means we have to find the definition of probability. It is here what you require upon total number of trials. So what you require can be named in various terms in mathematics. It can be number of trials in which the event occurred, or number of favorable trials, or number of required trials. Okay, so any name can be given. You check in the exam. Basically what is required upon total number. Okay. Raju put some balls on the table. There were 4 blue, 7 red, 3 black and 6 white balls. All of a sudden a cat jumped on the table and knocked out one of the balls. What is the probability that the balls on the floor is blue? Now we have to find this. Probability equals to required upon total. So what is required? Required is blue. Blue how much? How many blue? 4. So 4. Total is what? 4 plus 7 plus 3 plus 6 all. So 20. Probability equals to 4 upon 20. Required upon total. So 1 upon 5. Depends on what is given in the exam. If it's given in fraction, it's 1 upon 5. If it's given in decimals, it's 0.2. Okay. Check the answer and then write it accordingly. Download YuvaGuru app from Play Store to get these videos, test, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. These are required for you throughout your life for all competitive exams. We have separate videos for that. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you will learn them within 3 months. But do it with the discipline. Keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.